right, guys, how you doing? I told you we would get the car out this afternoon, or at least this weekend anyway. So let's get her out, just filled her up with some E. Let's go out and do a little bit of tuning, all right? All right, guys, how you doing? We're in the SS. She's been warming up a little bit. Just getting the computer fired up. I'm going to be doing a little bit of logging. It looks as if we are ready to go at this point. So, yeah, it's logging near. Let's just do a quick scan start here. Yeah, see, there we are. Okay, now we're good. And I like to just put it on the spark retard, I just like to watch that to be on the safe side. So air intake at coolant's 200, air fuel commanded. All right, I think we're good to go. So let's go out, let's get a little, we're just gonna go for a little cruise. We're just out cruising around. I got the traction control, stability track off, and I'm just trying to get normal driving tune, only because or a normal driving log, mainly because, let me get this guy, I don't want to be stuck behind this guy, because this thing has some weird mannerisms when it's shifting from like second to third, third to fourth, which is fairly common with the 6-speed automatics. But I just want to make sure that, especially if I'm going to be ending up going out and beating on this thing, that it doesn't have any weird trans-slipping issues or anything like that. Because if that's the case, then I'm going to have to obviously do some sad things and pull the engine and trans again, or pull the trans anyway. I have to just get it up high enough to get underneath it. But if that's the case, and you can even feel it. There, right there. Boom. What's the timestamp on that? It's like 1507. Okay. That's at 1507. You can feel it like right there. It's burping a little bit. Talking with Jay, he has a good feeling that it's probably still the weird timing gremlins that are going on with this car in, I guess, see, the thing is I know guys with 16s and 17s. I know guys with 14, 15, 16s, and 17s. For some reason, I just seem to be having a little bit more drivability to it. And frankly, it's because I don't have a tuner sitting in the car to work through all this stuff. So it's absolutely nothing against the tuning whatsoever in this case. Previous cases, maybe. But for this is literally just the car. And it could be, I got to see what the damn, I'll have to take a look. So what I'm going to do is, I said it was 15 something. We're going to, I'll check that and have him take a look at it once we do a little driving. I'm not going to take like huge logs, but you can definitely, you can definitely feel it. There it is, 14.3. There it was. There it was. It was at 15:10. So remember that timestamp, 15:10. You can hear it going blah, 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 blah. So there we go. Very, very clearly, this thing does not like me. I'm not 100% sure why it's doing that, but no worries. We'll definitely get it sorted out. I definitely need to drive her more. That can't be helping. over here at Barlow Chevrolet, I had mentioned that I would come over here. I had heard that there is a SS here that someone turned in. He's on the Tri-State Holdings page. I don't know if it's already been brought out to the front though. So I'm gonna look around a little bit. Hey, it's a very nice looking Colorado. It's a V6. Wow, that's a really nice Colorado, man. Let's see. I really like the red. Oh, it's got the nice interior and everything on it. Oh man, beautiful. Let's see, what do we got? 20, wow, 28. How many miles are on it? Only 37,000. Wow. Man. I don't know, man. Beautiful. It's got the spray-in bed liner and everything. It's got the sliding window too. Oh. Nice wheels on it. It's a wee bit nicer than mine. Looks like this was probably, what year was it again? I didn't even see it. 2018. Okay, so crew cabs just like mine. Oh, it's got the blackout grill on it. It's not the one I wanted, but it's got the blackout grill on. Boy, that is a pretty truck, man. I don't know what it is about me and red trucks, but I dig them. I do not see this. I see a few Camaros, but I do not see quite a few Vets here too. Just base models, but quite a few in the used lot. That's a monster diesel right there. Let me see here, see what's going on with this guy. Good Lord. MBRP exhaust. Fox shocks. This is definitely a Duramax. Oh, it's got the nice Wild Peaks on it. Wow, this is a serious truck. Got the block heater, got the plug hanging out. This is actually my year Silverado, like the 2012, 2013. Yeah, see, yeah, 2013. 34, man, that's actually, how many miles are on it? 58, man, that's not bad at all. Is it leather? No, it's cloth interior. I doubt you can see in there. It's not very good lighting, but you may be able to see in there, but very clean. Very clean truck. As far as the mileage perspective, not necessarily the smartest purchase, but wow. That is, what is this? Yeah. Wow, look at that, man. Only 58,000 on it. It's very clean, like really, really clean. Like something like this, I would absolutely buy. Like if I had had the opportunity, I would definitely go after this. That is a very, very nice truck. Very clean. Oh well, gonna have to stick with the old Colorado for now. Gets the job done for me. Maybe if my work brings me back to here, back to New Jersey again, then I won't have to, maybe I'll get something stupid like that. But for now, no. I do not see the SS. It must not be, my guess is that it's not outside here. I see quite a few Camaros off to the back. A lot of times they have the car sitting here. My guess is that it's not even through intake yet, because I do not see it. Oh well. But you can see Barlow has a very large inventory. Very, very large inventory. Big on trucks, big on Colorados, big on the smaller SUVs. They have a surprisingly large amount of Vets here. Ooh, what's that car? Oh, that's mine. This SS isn't for sale, but she's pretty. She's definitely pretty. I do not see it. My guess is that it's not through intake yet, so I'll have to come back again, unless somebody already bought it or they took it home. But there's a beautiful Z06. They are not huge on the Corvettes, so they generally don't carry too many of them. But not bad at all. Not bad at all. And here she is, my baby, popping. I think I might go rinse her off because she's exceptionally dirty today. a full pull in this car without it trying to kill me.